Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like us to look on the issue of the children. And my topic is how to rescue your kids from the screen addiction. Many parents are wondering what to do with their children, especially when it comes to television, spending many hours in television. And according to many studies which have been done, it has been found that spending too many hours in the television when they come to children, it affects the amount of sleep. It also leads to obesity, and it also lowers their thinking and language tests. So it is a matter of concern because it is spending many hours on the TV can make your children even degenerate or be affected when it comes to performance. So now, how do you go about handling this issue so that you are able to buy your children in, so that you are able to walk the journey together, that you don't use force, you don't become militant, but you use an approach which is going to be acceptable and finally is going to bear fruits. Now, one, it's important to have a family meeting to create a plan of action. This is important because during this family meeting, you are going to talk through the decision with all the family members. And then the importance of this is you discuss with your children, why do you want to have a plan? Why do you want to reduce the hours which they view the television? Why do you want to have it? Is it because you have felt it is negative? Is it because you want to have more time with them? Is it because you feel they are more like degenerating to more like zombies because of spending so many hours in the television or even in the YouTube? You have to tell them why you want to have a change. Is it because you are simply not feeling comfortable? But also don't forget, screen time is also okay. Screen time, certain time, it's okay, especially when it comes to education programs. Now, when it came to the American Academy of Pediatrics, they have recommended that between 2 and 5 years, they should not spend more than 1 hour in the television. And then the CDC, they have said kids who are 10 to 18 years, they should spend between 1 and 2 hours in the television or viewing the television. So now, the important point of having a family meeting is to do justification, to buy them in. You tell them why they change. Why is it necessary? You could discuss with them so that you bring them on board. Then the second point is that you should plan a day to initiate your program. Why is it important to initiate a day? It's important to initiate a day because you don't want to catch your children all by surprise. It's important to prepare them psychologically and then to prepare them that on date this and this is the time when we are going to start implementing our plan of action. So please make sure that you don't ambush your children. Have a day to initiate your action plan. Thirdly, you should make a list of the things to do. What are they going to do? Yes, what are the alternatives? The alternatives can be sports. Buy them a soccer ball so that they can be playing football. Then they can also be having outdoor toys, balloons, and bubbles. If they can also be involved in coloring books. Coloring as an exercise is going to make them happy. Then fourth, make sure you move the devices to a new location, out of view. And then tied up with this, you may be having some children, some of your kids who are shy. Take this opportunity to encourage so that they get involved in social interactions. Then number 5, help your kids to play. Play with them. Sit down with them and show them that playing is fun. Play together with them, and then they are going to be happy when you join them and you show them that there is something also beyond the screen. There is something they can enjoy outside the screen. And then number 6, it's very important for you to model this behavior in yourself. Be a role model. The children are not going to buy your idea if you tell them that they should not be screened on their television when you are always plugged on the television and other devices. Keep your TV away. When you tell your children to do other things, please follow suit so that they are also going to buy your idea. And then finally, you should have greater alternative routes to follow. What am I saying? Fight screen addiction. Fight screen addiction. So make sure that it is being embodied in the family, and there are these alternatives. They are exciting. They are alternatives which the children can enjoy, and not only the children can enjoy, but even other family members. And also finally take time also to do evaluation, to have feedback, and to get what the children are saying, so that you can also include more activities which were not included during the action plan, the initial action plan. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed this, and I'm speaking especially to the parents. It's Mutea Rukwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach, and thank you very much. I appreciate you, and for those who have been supporting A Moment with Rukwaru, I tell you, thank you. It's a thumbs up. Have a great day.